Here we go, we got another one. We got a whole row of cars. It's basically hooked, man. If you want to pay it, hey, that lady up there, she's upset too. She's got to pay the drop fee. Everybody's got to pay. If you want to pay the drop fee,
we already come work.
What do you mean?
We already come work with this guy right here.
What I'm saying, man, you hooked you on the truck, man. You're gonna have to pay it out. Either way, you gonna do it.
Yeah, man, they sent out letters and emails and everything for all these cars to be moved because we're doing the route, so we needed all these parking spots. So everybody that's right here is gonna get towed.
Yeah, I see the paper on the garbage.
Yeah.
We're working the night. The night.
Yeah, she sent it like days ago.
And that, yesterday I seen the paper. That's it.
Is this being run?
Yeah,
you can pay him.
You
can pay him and he can drop it because he can't now. Once he's hooked, there's nothing he can do unless you pay. So you got to pay him. He can drop it, but you got to move it or he'll tow it again.
Huh? So $100 drop fee, man. Listen, hey, you got about 2 minutes, man, to pay it out. I think we're back up get that sensor right there. When I double load, they still off the property. You would pay it out. If not, I can tow it. You pay the $175 on the yard. Thank you. Make the decision.
I can pay him. He said he wasn't gonna pay.
Hey, you know what? It's not his band. The whole row right here is what we're doing, man. Like I said, I can't. If you want to pay it out, it's fine. You can pay it out. I told you to pay the drop fee like the lady did. She was bad too.
She's not paying. I see. I'm there.
She paid $100, bro. Okay. Well, you go ask her. Listen, hey, she sat there for 10 minutes, man. You don't think the driver took the money? Because if you get, hey, she called a credit card in. She called in a credit card to pay it. You say she ain't paying it, man? That's fine. I understand where you're coming from. Hey there, we're back at the yard, man. The guy with the white van, the van didn't belong to him, belonged to his brother, and his brother didn't even live on the property. And anyway, he was wanting me to wait for his brother to get there, but we don't wait. We can show up, we tow. We can't wait around for somebody to show up. We just have to remove him off the property. Anyway, that's the way it goes. He told me he wasn't going to pay it out, so you know, that was up to him. He had his choice. So it's at the yard. Are you going? Oh.
I have 2 vehicles. One is my daughter's, which is in Italy military. The battery died because I don't use her car. So then I tried to back over and said, how much do you guys charge me to move the car to another place, to another parking spot? They're telling me they still got to move the car, and then they're not going to go ahead and charge me. So I'm like, either cost State Farm to move the car, or charge me to move the car. But you're not going to tow the car, and the car's not parked illegally or anything.
Oh, this one here? Well, you got flat tires.
I tried today.
You got flat tires, expired tag. Well, what do you think they're, I mean, what are they supposed to do? Let's leave it here. It's not marked off the list. Let me check my list real quick.
My car, please.
When did you call the office?
Yeah.
When?
To office.
When?
Today.
What do you mean today?
Yeah.
Huh.
In the morning. I called you office.
You don't call now?
No.
You hadn't talked to him, right?
No. I called you for you. I don't know. This is my boss. The office. I don't know. I don't know.
All I know is we show up here and we tow cars. That's what we do. We tow them. They got flat tires and no tags. We tow them out. That's just what we do. And that's just what I do. And I'm not trying to be mean about it. It's just.
Give me one business card, please.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow, 1 week.
No, that's not up to me.
I don't know. It's not what to do. It's total for office, right?
Yeah. Hey, listen. You ain't talked to you hadn't talked to the office yet.
Yes.
Hey, they didn't mark it off the list.
Yeah, it's the morning. Go, you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna find out. I mean, if it don't matter, you talk to them. But you got 3 violations on it. It's got 3 violations. It's not just expired tag. It's been sitting here for months. It's sat here till the tires went flat. So in other words, you've had a whole bunch of time to get it fixed. You know, it's up to them. You know, whatever the office says, I'll do whatever they say. Hey there, the tow trucker back. We got a issue. The manager's called this car in. These residents have not responded, and they keep pulling the stickers off the car. And he said, I'm tired of dealing with these people, and he's tired of the lies. So he told me to go ahead and get this thing off the property. So I told him that's what I do. This vehicle's got a VIN number covered up, so we're gonna have to do a lockout on the car so I can get the VIN number and turn it into the state. Anyway. Get the VIN number real quick. Anyway, that's how it goes, man. We tow cars. It don't matter what they got, what kind of stickers. No matter what kind of stickers they got on, they get towed just like everybody else. Anyway, we'll roll out. Anyway, this is as good a time as any, man, to bring this up on my channel, man. That car had a lot of stickers that were you know, racially motivated. But I personally believe that you know, all men are created equal, man. I believe God put us on this earth, man, to get along and to love everybody from every nation. And I feel like people that have prejudices against other people, I think it's because they're uneducated, or they don't have any friends, or they've never had much contact with people that are of a different race. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that up. I think all people should treat other people, man, with respect, regardless of race, religion, anything at all. We're supposed to get along with people. I believe that's what God intends us for us to do. Anyway.